Got a challenge for you boys.
Hi, I'm Dolly.
And I'm Jan, and we are Boarding House Kitchen, or
BHK. Today we're doing something a little bit different.
The two of us are going to have an Indomaret Cook Off.
But we want to challenge ourselves a little more.
Rule 1, we only got 100,000 rupiah.
Rule 2, only 1 hour.
Rule 3, it must feed at least 3 people.
Fourth rule is we got to follow a theme, and today's theme is Indonesian fusion.
So for those who don't live in Indonesia, don't know anything about Indonesia, Indomaret's just a large chain of smaller sized convenience stores. So a lot of cheap stuff, and not typically where people go for main ingredients.
So, today I'm going to try and make some nasi goreng. Nasi goreng. By rice. More surprising stuff. Let's start. Flour. So for the tortilla is going to be some salt, baking powder. We got some flour. Water and vegetable oil. Luckily, water, vegetable oil is already have there, as well as salt. Now looking for the final ingredients are nasi goreng, we got rice. They have eggs and Indomaret, nice. 10 eggs is 22,000. Getting really close to our budget. So the rice is like 32,000. Flour is 15. So this thing, 8,000. The man is lost in thought. Looking at sauces for inspiration. We're gonna find something to make the nasi goreng more flavorful. Since we have no garlic or onion or shallots, probably gonna have to stick to the secret ingredients. Use the seasonings of this. Get the garlic. That's enough. Under budget. Cheese. 99,000. This is a lot for 99,000 actually.
Decide what kind of seasoning I want to put in. We do have rawon. Could work. Doesn't mind you guys. And a little bit of spice. Oh, this is expensive. I mean, like, I don't know, I very expensive this. Also in need of cheese. I'm gonna make myself some mac and cheese with some. I'm gonna keep this quiet first with some Indo seasoning and put in some corned beef and some very special kind of punch.
And how much? What was your grand total?
Probably like shy of 100,000, like by 2,000-3,000.
So I am going to make nasi goreng. Since we don't have any like seasonings or like garlic, onion, they don't sell those stuff. We got the special ingredients. And to make it a fusion, I decided to go Mexican. I'm gonna make my own tortillas and wrap it up into a burrito. Hopefully it works out.
And what did you come up with price-wise? Total?
Oh, I got to 95,000. Just under the budget. One, go. Alright. Do this. Rice.
3 minutes? I'm gonna just finish so fast. What? It says 3 minutes.
Bruh. Alright.
You use oil, I use butter. Is it as
Alright, I am making the wraps now. Hopefully it pays off. Hopefully. I hope this comes together. Jesus Christ.
this is a special breadcrumb concoction, which
Yeah.
very cheap, very easy. Just mix with some herb, salt, pepper, and toast it with butter. And it will go my dish at the end. Corned beef. There goes our title. Reset. Reset. Get him. Get the thing.
Alright. Clean up.
Briefly talk about what happened yesterday.
So my dough mix failed. And I am restarting all of it from scratch.
Yeah, 44 minutes. Good.
Very encouraging. That does not look neat, bro.
This is called being fair.
How are you feeling so far, Dolly?
Not really sure.
Might be a double fail.
No, fuck you.
How many had?
Yeah.
For once?
Wanna chill? Very free. Is that something?
It's coming together. It's coming together.
It's cold water.
Bawahnya sorean.
Would be better if it stay old, but what can you do? Looking good? Like halfway done. stick. For the love of God, don't stick more powder.
One minute.
I wish I didn't fail the first dough batch. Did not have time to wrap. Would have been nice to toast at the ends, but yeah, that did not pan out right. This cheese doesn't want to melt.
It's melting.
It's burning. Oh, okay. I feel like I should have made it a bit. The open burrito. Oh damn, you didn't want to touch tips.
How's it going? Solid.
How is it?
You have anything to say, Wooju?
It's food, it's food.
You're supposed to be the foodie.
Well, it's food.
Oh yeah, it's macaronis.
What are these? The crisps?
The crisp?
Yeah.
Breadcrumbs with buttered breadcrumbs and some seasoning.
Breadcrumbs?
Mm-hmm.
It tastes very Indonesian.
The crisp?
Yeah.
That's part of the.
Part of the theme.
Yeah. Alright, so my winner is the macaroni. I think with the spices and everything, and the texture with the breadcrumbs, just beats it out. Nasi goreng solid, cheese is good, tortilla is good, and I think it's just missing sauce. Some extra flavor to really drive home the fusion.
Yeah, my pick is macaronis. I do agree with Ray. I like the texture of the macaronis. And I just think the tipping top is missing for this burritos. There is no sauce. The cheese hasn't melted. So I'll have to give it to macaronis.
Cheers.
Yeah, that's what we should have done.
Oh, it's spicy. So, that was intense. I felt like if I didn't fail that first batch, it would have been good, but missing some things. Missing some things. Convenience store doesn't really have that much to work with, but Dolly made a great dish, so I think it's good.
So if you guys enjoy seeing me winning or seeing Jan losing, click subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button.